Shopify store owners. What if your entire call center could run on AI in just a few clicks? Meet Assistflow AI, your all-in-one AI call center for Shopify. It connects instantly to your store, syncs customer data, and answers calls before you even pick up the phone. Use your existing company number or connect Twilio, Vonage, Telnyx, or SIP. And yes, it's free to start. Download Assistflow AI Call Center from the Shopify App Store. Approve it. Choose your plan, then visit Assistflow and click Create New Assistant. Enter your assistant name, set it in database, select Shopify database, yeah. Type your store URL and click Connect to Shopify. Add a test phone number. Our system automatically maps 57 Shopify data fields instantly. Customer name, orders address, email, loyalty level, tracking number, language preference, and much more. Now your AI knows every customer before they even speak. When a call comes in, it greets them by name. Hello, caring Ruby, welcome back. Your order number 1002 is still on the way to Ottawa. Delivery expected tomorrow. For known customers, the system creates a smart, personalized prompt. For new ones, it builds a natural, snubbery conversation. Everything is recorded, analyzed, and visible inside your Assistflow admin panel. Add any webhook, connect to your Google Sheets, CRM, or your own database. Manage both inbound and outbound calls from one place. Connect your number and let AI handle your customers. Assistflow AI, where AI gets Shopify data before answering.
Dude, listen up. I just discovered something insane. Your phone rings, every AI is like, can I get your name? Assistflow AI, whole different level.
Before you even pick up, it's already pulled data from Google, CRM, API, Excel, SQL,
Everything.
It opens with, hey, John, welcome back.
Hey Shopify fam, Red. This one's next level. Meet Assistflow AI, your call center that starts helping before you even answer the phone.
Let AI handle your Shopify calls while you focus on the fun stuff. Activate it right now. Find Assistflow AI on the Shopify app.